Okay, Sue, what are you making now?
Thai tea, traditional
Okay.
Thai tea.
In Thai, it's cha nom.
Sha nom.
Cha nom. Cha means tea, nom means milk.
Sha.
Thai tea with milk. Yeah, all in. All in. All in. After you pour all in, then you need to leave them for 15 minutes. There you go. Okay. Very good. Up and down, up and down, up and down, down and up and down. That's good. And who haven't done this? You want to split? Okay, I split. 200. And put in here. That's 200 already, right? Okay. So after 200, what you do? You just mix this. This is the first one. Yeah, second one you can do. And mix with the milk together. Oh, you see how yummy it is. And now we need sugar. 6 tablespoons. Where is my spoon? My spoon is gone. 1. Yeah, very good. 2.
6.
3.
All right now.
4.
It's going all right. It's not going too fast.
Maybe missed it up.
No, you're all right.
มาดูน้องหน่อยพี่นะ It didn't really come out. When you got the right amount, so it's easier for you. If you are in the tea shop, they do like this. Okay, so now you have to dance.
Oh, damn. Okay, ready, Kayla? How many? How many of this we need? 200. 200 milliliters.
What is this?
What is this? This is condensed milk.
Condensed milk. What are we going to make? Look at the camera, please.
Oh, we're gonna make
Cheese.
Thai tea.
Thai tea, and this is the tea that we already boiled. It's 200 now. Okay. 100. This one 1,002. Okay, Kayla. It's clean. Mix.
Oh, that's why it takes so long.
Sugar.
There's an ant.
Hello. Don't say.
just in the top.
It's okay. Later we take out. Take out the sound.
It's just extra protein, so it's okay.
It's okay. I reduce the sweet.
Oh,
Only
can I have
for
this tea then?
4 spoons.
Okay.
But every day you have this.
That's why I'm so big now.
It's okay. Tomorrow I make less sugar.
It's also
yes,
the
try it.
condensed milk is also in the green tea.
I'm just
gonna
should
get
get that potato tea again.
It was so good. We should tomorrow. Wait, what's the time?
No,
no, actually, I'm so
get
full.
it.
Now
No, we can
evaporate
get
milk,
it
please. This milk.
tomorrow. Maybe it's
Just
if
one
we come
food
back
drop.
from the market early, we can get it.
Enough.
The potato tea.
Now show time.
Okay, then Tuesday maybe.
Okay, that's the best part. You have to dance with it. Yeah.
Dance with it. What?
For us.
Everyone will do
Oh yes.
this. When you're training, just do like this first. This is for training.
Teacher Wandee has work in her garden.
So I don't put too much because
We should.
you are training. Just everyone come to train like this first, just to
Train.
Choose.
whee.
Higher. Higher. Yeah.
Next person, please.
Next. Oh yes, they will. Have you tried Thai tea, Andrew?
No.
Oh, it's so good.
Okay, can you stop the camera?
Yeah.
Stop first. Stop. Try to get her face too.
Well done.
Higher, higher, higher. Ah. Higher, higher. Higher, higher. Don't worry anymore about
What are you doing? What are you doing?
dancing tea, pulling tea.
Dancing tea. Dancing tea. Young and sweet. Oh, yes.
Dancing tea.
Come sing your song. You love that song.
yeah.
Ooh. Wow, Wandee. Yeah.
Come, try it.
Classic, very classic. Very classic.